Hey Raj, hi, how are you?
Yeah, hi. Just hold on. Let me. Okay. Hi, Lokesh.
How are you doing, Raj?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing great here.
Great. And this guy is going to join soon. Actually,
Okay.
he's as a full stack developer.
Mm-hmm.
Previously, he worked for TCS, and
Mm-hmm.
currently also he is working. I think so. So just cross check completely. Just focus on back end and front end.
Okay.
Main focus is back end. Okay.
Okay.
Please, I think he joined. I think
Yeah,
Subhash.
yeah.
Hi, Subhash. Hello, Subhash. Can you hear us?
Hello.
Hello, Subhash. How are you?
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Subhash. How are you? Subhash? Yeah, Raj. So what I'm telling, Raj, are you there?
Yeah, Lokesh, I'm there.
Yeah, I can also consider I can also consider his profile for backend.
Mm-hmm.
If he just check with him thoroughly, just check how he is capable for writing code from backend
Correct.
side. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
So just
Correct.
how he is writing, how is his
And
expertise in this code writing code.
okay, sure.
Okay, please go ahead. Hi Subhash, how are you?
Hello, Subhash. Good afternoon.
Subhash, could you please check
Hello.
your microphone?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. I think you might not hear our voice. Yes, please check your speakers. We are talking actually, Subhash.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Just a second.
Ashutosh.
Let me. Just can you give me a second? Let me plug in my earphones.
Yeah, yeah. Take your time. Subhash, you are getting our audio.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Raj.
Okay.
It's automatically connected my Bluetooth sets, so
Okay.
that's the reason.
But you need to turn on your camera actually.
Yeah. 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 Let me. Just a second.
Yeah.
Hello. Is it audible now?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yes, it's
Anyone's
audible.
talking? Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay, let me turn on my camera. Yes, is my is my
Can you turn on it? Perfect. Okay. You're getting my voice?
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So Subhash, I have your CV with me, and you mentioned
Okay.
that from 2020 you are associated with TCS. What's the current status? Are you still there with them?
Yeah, I'm still working in TCS. Currently,
Okay.
I'm serving the notice period.
Notice period. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And so Subhash, what's the your role responsibility? Not the project, but what's your role in that project? Mainly in last
So,
2 3 years. Okay. And
okay.
yeah, let's start with that. Yeah.
Yeah. So my role is like initially I started with a HTML developer. Later, I just start like I just got the opportunity to work as a web developer, and then the full stack, and then backend API gateways, all those things, and yeah, that's till now. Like currently, I'm working as a full stack developer.
Subhas, what all when you say front end or when you say full stack, so on the front end
Okay.
side, what all the tech stack or the tools packages where you are comfortable, including
Okay.
the language, and
Okay.
what's the on the middle and the back end side?
Mm-hmm. So like on the front end side, like I'm good at like I'm using CSS, JavaScript, HTML, and the framework is the React.js, and the backend side, like I'm good at Python, and slowly like I've been started with Node.js and Express.js also. And coming to the queries database, like I'm very much good at SQL database, BigQuery database.
Okay, okay. So if you have to rank your skills, no, it
Okay.
can be on the language, the back end, the front end.
Mm-hmm.
How you rank? Maybe on
Yeah,
the maybe
first,
you can say okay.
first I'll rank my things in the database, and then the front end technologies, and then the back end.
Okay. How much your comfort level with Python?
Python, I'm good actually. Like I've been working on Python since past 2.5 years, I can say.
Okay. Can you please share your screen also?
Okay. Yes.
So let's take one very basic data type in Python, that is the string. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You can see one query in your chat window, and if you are comfortable, you can write anywhere you want, any online Python compiler or any editor ID where you are comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And in case you are not much comfortable with that, do let me know. I will change the query. No issue.
Okay.
So basically, you can consider any string. Here, I have given you one string. You just need to put each letter of the word in alphabetical order, irrespective whether the letters are in
Mm-hmm.
uppercase or lowercase. You have to
Got it.
put it in alphabetical order.
Yeah.
The order of words in the string remain the same. Only each letter will be in alphabetical order.
Got it. It should be in the alphabetical order. Okay.
Instead of sort, you can use sorted. Sorted is the function.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so Subhas, I guess you are using the sweep key. Okay. When you use the sorted, no, the sorted function, it
Okay.
basically sort the letters based on their ASCII value. Okay.
Yes, yes.
And the
Yeah, that's what I'm also thinking, like how to convert that capitals to the slow.
yeah, means for a time being you need to put it like uppercase because the ASCII value for uppercase, lowercase differ. So it's okay. I just want to see the approach here.
Okay.
Uh, Subhash, on the backend side, you mentioned something about Node.js or something.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so have you ever worked with or have you ever any knowledge about Django or something?
No, no,
Flask,
no idea.
etc.
No idea.
Okay, okay, okay. What's the biggest advantage of using Node.js on the backend?
So Node.js like runs on the client side. So like similar to Python, like we can use the multiple libraries which are there in the Node.
Mhm. Okay, and you are able to develop the or build the RESTful API and all that.
Yes, yes.
Any drawbacks of using REST API?
Uh, REST
Disadvantage.
API, REST API is like if okay, any drawbacks of the REST API? Like, so it's not like everything REST API.
Okay, what is statelessness in
Yeah,
REST
that's what
API?
that is what. Say REST API is like we will be getting the data whatever it is stored. We will get the data itself. We can't able to update the data and we can't do any other things. And the data like whatever we are getting, it's not the updated ones. I guess.
Is it? No, my question based on the like the REST constraint. Maybe one is the statelessness.
Yeah. Yes.
So
It doesn't have any step like we can't. It won't update the data, right?
no, it the client and server doesn't store the data actually. So your session will not be maintained. That's one drawback.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the it doesn't provide any security site like any particular
Yes.
correct. That is the another one. Any other you feel?
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Security side, and it doesn't need like the API key or all the authorizations, all those things.
Okay. How you connect to the database in Node.js?
Like in Node.js, like I haven't tried connecting that to database. Like in Python, like I have tried by using the client project ID, and I'm saying I like I have used connecting BigQuery using the Python. So in that, like what we used to do, like we used to import the library, Google BigQuery library. So within that, like like there is a inbuilt function called client.bigquery. So if we use that, like we can connect directly to the BigQuery to the particular project.
What's your comfort level over the React side?
Yeah, React side, I'm good.
Have you ever used React hooks?
Yeah, like I have used state and Redux, all those things.
For what purpose? What's the advantage it
So
provide hooks?
So actually, like in so functional components are the stateless components. Okay, when compared to class components are stateful. Okay, in order to convert the functional components into the stateful components, like we use React hooks.
Okay. Uh, I'm giving you just you don't need to run it. You can write the just the logic.
Okay,
You can see the query. you have to write a SQL query to delete the duplicate records.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to run it, just write the logic for that.
Employee number, what's one?
Subhash, when we talk about the React application,
Okay.
is there any the React provides techniques for optimizing React application as the
Yeah, React was the virtual DOM, right? So whenever like we update the things, like it will be faster, like and it stores the data in the virtual DOM.
no, that is
Whatever the
that is the on the performance side.
yeah
No, that means to I'm talking about the optimization side.
yeah like we can reuse the components, right? Like whatever the functional components and the class component, like we can reuse the things wherever, like if we want to.
Hmm. What is memorization?
Memorization.
Memoization.
Okay. No idea on it.
Okay, okay. I think lazy loading.
Lazy
Yeah.
learning.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
heard of it, but
I'm
yeah.
putting it in the chat window. You can see that this memoization. Maybe on the I'm not.
No idea on this.
Okay. So these are the like memoization, lazy loading. These are the techniques for performance optimization. What you
Mm-hmm.
are telling me on the virtual DOM is like no, that is the um, concept means it's correct. That is one way. But what I'm looking is on the application side is memoization, lazy loading, and other
Okay.
maybe
Okay.
code is that is okay. Okay, so Subhas, what's your expectation
Expectation. Uh,
on your further future role responsibility? What you are looking for? My question.
see.
What roles and responsibilities?
Yeah, like I'm looking for the developer role itself. Like I'm not looking for any other testing roles, but what I want to know is like I am ready to work on any of the technologies, but
Okay,
there's
Subhas, let me give you a few. Uh, roles like
Mm-hmm.
you tell me that this is my comfort zone, okay?
Okay.
Purely a front end role where you involved in like JavaScript and all the frameworks associated with it,
Okay.
including the HTML, CSS, and all other,
Okay.
and including that the some bit of like the Node.js and all that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
React.
So like my thing is like if I start by front end, like I can slowly get the back end work if you really like me.
Yeah, means see, just want to see that where is your
Yeah.
comfort level. You got my point.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I am comfortable with all the technologies like whatever I have mentioned in my resume,
Okay,
because like
okay,
currently,
Subhash, you go
yeah.
back to that online Python compiler. Open that. Now consider you have the same string. I want you to write a Python code using list comprehension to remove the vowels from that string. Yes, using list comprehension.
Okay.
I think this is the basic question. Very
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
correct. Yeah,
Yes. Yes. You want me to remove the
vowels.
words? Yes.
It should be
Yeah,
means,
captures also like we can make it.
no. It should the output should be a string, not the
Okay. Oh, you want me the same way, like
yes,
how the
yes, yes, yes,
string is.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
Means you will have another string, just vowels will not be there.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, Subhas, one last query.
Mm-hmm.
What's the most technical challenge you face throughout your career as a Python developer or as a full stack web developer? The
Yeah, the main.
just
Yeah.
want to know
Yeah.
the
Got it.
problem. Means if the
Okay.
problem can be on the production issue, maybe on feature development or anything.
Yes. Yes.
So, what's the most
So,
technical challenge?
yeah. So, like, there are, like, I just want to share two things. So, whenever, like, we face any of the issues, okay. So, firstly, like, we need to know, like, what kind of issue it is. Sometimes it might be the data issue, sometimes it might be the code issue.
See,
If we can, yeah,
Subhas, I'm not talking about the journal issues developer face.
yeah.
Any issue you particular
Okay, like
challenge
the
is.
authentication, like we use OAuth authentication in our applications. So that's the more technical things like I have handled it.
OAuth.
Yeah, OAuth authentication.
Yes. So what's the problem in that?
So the problem in that is like so like before there will be many migrations will be happening on the OAuth, okay, in the
Uh-huh.
GCP, okay.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes they'll be using some inbuilt functions within the API. Sometimes they won't be using the like recently they have removed those inbuilt functions, okay. So like the issue is like we're not able to focus like where we are getting the issue. So then slowly like we just gone through the documentation and we just fix that issues.
That's the most technical challenge you face.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you ever worked with the JWT?
Yeah, JWT, no, no. We do have a package of it, like we just use that.
Okay. Subhash,
Hello.
actually, I'm
Right.
also a little bit not much sure, like where we can go ahead, like on the. There are some gray areas and some white areas
Mm-hmm.
on the. Uh, okay, tell me more about your front end exposure.
No, I didn't get
Okay. So like uh, what like
Now, what kind of work you have done that on that side?
contact.
okay. So in the front end side, like we do develop
I don't have this
applications
email ID.
regarding on the PLM side. So like what we used to do is like we used to create some forms and all. So whenever the user submits the form, so we need to populate, we need to get the data and we need to store it in the BigQuery,
I
and
also taken.
those form data like we need to display it in our application by using the BigQuery APIs and all. So that is what we do in our applications, most of the applications.
And fair enough. So, Subhash, what I will do, let me share my feedback to the development team.
Okay.
Once team agrees, we'll go for one more meeting. We'll discuss more about projects you are involved in, few more technical
Okay.
queries based on our requirement for this position.
Okay. Okay.
Further, we'll see how it goes after that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, thanks for joining the call.
Yeah,
Nitesh,
yeah.
if you have something to add, you can.
Yeah.
I'm almost done.
Yeah. Yeah. Subhash, if I can hire you, how much you can assure us to stick with us for long years, longer years?
Yeah, like it's based on like how I got the opportunity in the company. So if I'm getting good opportunity from the company and from the team side, like I'll be sticking to this itself.
No, no. Since 3 years, I've been observing so long drastic changes in the developers. Generally,
Okay.
if they get good offers, simply switching
Mm-hmm.
companies. This
Okay.
for companies really this is a big pain point for us.
Yeah, I know it.
So really, we are facing a lot of challenges on this.
Yeah.
So how can you assure, for example, I can involve you as a full stack, I can involve you front end side, I can involve you as a back end side, even if you
Mm-hmm.
have a full hands-on work with you, and
Okay.
still if you get more best opportunity than this, so are you willing to change after 1 year or 6 months?
See, it's based on the type of work also. Like if there is some interesting work also, like I can assure you within the
So
company.
what kind of work culture you are expecting?
So it's not, it's like if something is repetitive every time, so as a developer we just lose focus on the things also.
No, no. Nowadays, developers not thinking about work; they are thinking about
Yeah.
the packages. So
Hmm.
this is a big pain point for every company. Actually, we
yeah,
are
yeah.
facing a lot of challenges with
So
this.
as of now, like I am just looking for the work itself, work culture itself,
Mm-hmm.
and as you said, like I'm looking for the package also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, for example,
See.
yeah.
What I will think is like as we are growing up year by year. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if I am getting some like in these years, like frankly, I'm telling you, like we'll be getting only 10 to 12% of hike. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so as a as a career growth purpose, okay, if I get some 15 to 20%, like 15 to 20% every year, so I'll just stick on to the company itself.
Definitely will do. That's completely depend upon person and
Yeah, yeah,
their
yeah.
completely.
So so like in TCS, like from past 3 years, like I'm getting the band A itself, like I'm getting the 12% of hike every year.
Mm-hmm.
So so from there, from that point itself, like so we have been working from long years, so we are getting only this much hike every year. So that's what I didn't like in the MNCs.
Okay, okay. That sounds good. You have full of work with us, not a problem. That's not a
Yeah,
big
yeah.
deal. You can also be if you get selected, I can involve in both sides from front
Okay,
end and back end also.
okay,
Whenever we required
okay.
from back end side, we will involve, and whenever it is required from front end side,
Mm-hmm.
we can involve.
Okay,
If need
okay,
both at a time, we can involve both side also. If you can handle, it's okay.
okay,
So
okay.
that's not a big deal.
So,
You have
okay.
enough. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. You are trying to
Yeah,
ask
I
something.
might not perform well in the interview, but I can assure you my 100%, like I can give you the best.
No problem. We'll have a conversation
Yeah,
on
yeah,
this and
sure.
we'll conduct another next round.
Sure, sure,
Okay.
sure.
So
Let me know.
our HR will get back to you. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, you can drop down. You can drop Subhash.
okay,
Think,
okay.
Raj,
Thank
you
you.
can stay with me.
yeah.
Yeah, Raj. Actually, how is this guy?
Moderate, yeah, Lokesh. It's
So actually, my uh, point of view, I just would like to discuss with you. Actually, one of our developer is who's having two and a half years experience as a backend guy. He is
Mhm,
going to leave us soon. Actually,
mhm, mhm, mhm,
within the week he is going to leave us. So
mhm.
we want to release him. So for
Correct.
that, this guy is really suitable for the backend side.
The first thing is that I think you are using Django and DRF set, no Django framework. He has no idea of that. First thing,
Okay.
okay. He's comfort. He has hands-on experience over the
Hmm.
Node.js side. So that is
Okay.
JavaScript.
Mm-hmm.
So that is one thing. So if you put the Django code and this in front of him, he will ask that I have no idea of that.
So
Okay, that's the
for suppose if I get chance, if I give chance to him, can he able to learn quickly? So does he capable?
I guess means Lokesh, I interviewed multiple persons per day.
Mm-hmm.
And there are many, in fact, I don't want to or don't I should not actually. Today itself, I have taken, I guess, 7, 8 Django guys. They are
Mm-hmm.
moderate, but they are more suitable than him.
Okay,
I
okay.
guess you should check with other candidate who has experience over the. There are multiples. I think 8, 9 people only today I interviewed on Django. Only
Mm-hmm.
one out, I think out of 7, 8, one is good. Other are moderate, but those moderate are also much better than him if we consider your project.
Okay. So for suppose is actually both skills, right? Front end and back end side. Okay.
Front end and back end.
Okay.
But he is moderate, he is not a good developer. See, the TCS is having in one project they have 30, 40 persons. So anyone can hide in between.
Okay, okay. That is maybe that is the reason he's looking for the change,
Yeah,
and also he might. That is the main reason actually. People cannot coming from outside for
correct.
TVS teachers in the sense. they are looking for the good projects. Actually, they are looking for the experience. Might be.
Yeah.
If you give a chance, there might be there. There are a lot of the maybe he might get chance. Maybe he will involve more better. I think he want to do
Correct.
right.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
He because he is
Yeah.
enthusiastic. He is very much
Correct.
enthusiastic to learn and to involve more. So let's see.
Correct.
I think just give us a feedback from front end and back end side also.
Sure.
Separate,
Sure.
separate like
Sure.
front end side this much and back end side this much and then Django this much and
Django
Python.
you can
You
leave the
also
Django,
tested.
but
You also checked with Python also, right?
yeah, Python is the main thing. The all the coding he has done is in Python only.
Yeah. Okay. And React JS also you checked, right?
Yes.
Could you please mention like
Really.
this React JS this much rating and Python this much rating and Django this much and also
Sure.
overall full stack this much and backend side this much. So then I can able to review with our team. So then I can get better conclusion. I think so, Raj.
Okay, fine.
So please do help like this.
Yeah,
So
sure.
Raj, can I get your number if you don't mind?
Yeah, sure,
Is it
sure.
possible?
Yeah, yeah, please. I'm
Okay.
putting in the chat window.
Sure. That will help.
Anytime you can ping me.
Sure,
No
sure.
issue.
I'll
You
do
can
that.
see
Yeah,
it.
yeah. And Raj, tomorrow, can actually we do have a couple of interviews, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Please be available.
Yeah, sure. I will do that.
Thank you, Raj. Thanks for the time.
Thank you.
Thanks for the time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, Ashia. Thank you, Lokesh.
Bye.
Thank you, Ashia.
Yeah, thank
Bye.
you, Raj. Yeah.